in this module we have to study different normal forms. So normal forms പഠിക്കണമെങ്കിൽ normalization concept എന്താണെന്ന് മനസ്സിലാക്കണം. The normalization of data is the process of analyzing the given relation schemas based on their functional dependencies and primary keys to achieve the desirable properties of minimizing redundancy, and second one is to minimize the anomalies, different anomalies, that is insertion, deletion and updation or modification anomalies. So normalization നമ്മൾ എന്തിനാ ചെയ്യുന്നതെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ we are analyzing a given relation schema. റിലേഷൻ സ്കീമ എന്ന് പറയുമ്പം നമ്മളൊരു റിലേഷൻ എടുത്താൽ അതിൻ്റെ സ്ട്രക്ചറിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ആ ടേബിളിൻ്റെ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ റിലേഷൻ്റെ സ്ട്രക്ചറിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ സ്കീമ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പം നമ്മൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യുന്നതെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ആ സ്കീമയെ നമ്മൾ അനലൈസ് ചെയ്യുക. എന്തിൽ വെച്ചിട്ട്? അതിൻ്റെ ഫങ്ഷണൽ ഡിപ്പെൻഡൻസീസും അതിൻ്റെ പ്രൈമറി കീസും വെച്ചിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ആ ടേബിളിനെ അനലൈസ് ചെയ്യുക. എന്തിനു വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്? ടു അച്ചീവ് ദീസ് ടു പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസ്, that is minimize redundancy and to minimize different updation anomalies that we have already discussed in our class, insertion, deletion and modification anomalies. Redundancy means a repetition of the same data, and anomalies, updation anomalies, we have already discussed in the class with examples. That is also important. So why do we normalize a relation? There are two purposes: to minimize the redundancy and to minimize insertion, deletion and updation anomalies. And this is all about introduction about normalization. We have to study about first normal form, second normal form, third normal form and BCNF, Boyce Codd normal form. The normalization was first proposed by Codd. It certifies whether a certain normal form is satisfied or not. Okay, it proceeds in a top-down fashion, and stronger definition of third normal form is Boyce Codd normal form, that was jointly proposed by Boyce and Codd. All these normal forms are based on functional dependencies among the attributes of a relation. So functional dependencies, I am just reviving what is functional dependency. A functional dependency is represented as x to y. That means x is a set of attributes, y is another set of attributes. We read as x, the value of x attributes determine the value of y attributes, or we can indirectly tell that x uniquely determines y, or y is determined by x. That means the values of x attributes, those values determine the values of this set of attributes. Example, SSN to name. That means SSN attribute determines what is the name. Roll number, marks, comma, roll number determines the percentage of a student. Both these two determine the percentage of a student. Okay, this is about functional dependency, and this functional dependency and the primary key gives to the concept of normalization. Mainly normalization is done to minimize the redundancy and to minimize the different updation anomalies. In the next class, we will discuss about first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, and BCNF.